I think that's a buzzard. Circling me. The one over there coming as well. Now they know how to catch the wind. Really good gliding, look. Catching the thermals. Not even flapping the wings, hardly. Just soaring. They're just letting me know it's their little territory, I think. I've seen them here quite a few times. They're chasing the other one, look. There's two of them, must be a pair. Gone right over there now. Just having a look, I think. See what I'm up to. Whoa! Just chased each other into them treetops. I think they live over by the viaduct over there, in those trees. I've seen them there quite often. So it just shows they're not bothered by these drones, not bothered at all. I've just been flying it now. Another bebopping mission, took it well out over the viaduct this time. Probably 400 metres, something like that. Good signal all the way, no problems at all. Flying really good. It's doing really well, really pleased with it at the moment. Hope you enjoyed that flight. Batteries are doing a little bit better as well. Getting closer to 8 minutes now, which is about what they're meant to be doing. So I'm going to get an upgraded battery, probably an 1800 milliamp hour or 2000, just to so I can take it out a little bit further, give me a bit more flight time. Something like 12 minutes flight time would be better, I think. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Take care, bye bye for now.